Hello everyone, Japanized Sensei here. Today, I will teach you personal pronouns in Japanese language. I have taught you 8 ways to say I, and 7 ways to say you, in Japanese, in our previous lessons, so today, I will teach you how to say he, she, they, and we. How to say he or she in Japanese. He is
彼
in Japanese. In some context, it could also mean boyfriend. It's the short form of
彼氏
which means boyfriend. She is
彼女
in Japanese. Also, in some context, this could also mean girlfriend.
彼
And
彼女
are the standard and formal way to say he and she in Japanese. It is usually used by Japanese people in business situation, when introducing coworkers that are lower than them, or when talking to someone they don't personally know. But in casual conversation, Japanese people usually use a genderless pronoun to talk about people other than the speaker and the listener. Here are what they commonly use when talking about other people.
こいつ
It translates as this one in English, which could also mean this guy who is near the speaker.
そいつ
It translates as that one in English, which could also mean that guy who is far from the speaker but near the listener.
あいつ
It also translates as that one, which also means that guy over there who is far from both the speaker and the listener. These 3 are informal way to refer to a third person, and can be used when talking to friends or someone you personally know. Be careful on using them. Now, here's the neutral and formal way to refer to a third person.
この人その人あの人
Replacing
人
by
方
will make it more formal to refer to people who is being talked about by the speaker and the listener.
この方その方あの方
How to say they in Japanese. You just need to make he, she, this person, and that person into its plural form by adding suffix
たち
or
ら彼たち
or.
彼ら
It means they in English, and it is used to refer to a group of male.
彼女たち
Or.
彼女ら
It also means they, but is used to refer to a group of female. Again, as I've said earlier, Japanese people commonly use genderless pronoun, so you might often hear these following pronouns, especially when friends are talking.
こいつら
Which means these guys or these people.
そいつら
Which means those guys or those people.
あいつら
Which means those guys or those people over there. To make it formal, we use
この方々その方々あの方々
You can also add suffix
たち
but not
ら
to
方
to form.
方たち
For neutral, meaning not informal, but not formal, we use
この人たちその人たちあの人たち
another informal way are
この人らその人らあの人ら
Lastly, how to say we in Japanese.
我々
Is a formal way to say we and commonly used when speaking on behalf of a group or company.
私たち
It's the standard and safest way to say we. The rest are all casual and informal way to say we and commonly used when talking to your friends.
僕たち、俺たち、私ら、僕ら、俺ら。
That's all. Hope you learn something new today. In our next video, I will teach you demonstrative pronouns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's all be Japanized.